Is superhuman-level AI really just around the corner? Or are tech elites deceiving us for their own gain? With big names like Sam Altman and Elon Musk claiming superintelligence will soon surpass humans, it's easy to get swept up in the hype. But what if artificial general intelligence, known as AGI, is just a flashy marketing tool designed to make us believe it's right around the corner? Let's dig into the truth behind the buzz and why AGI might be more myth than reality. Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and other AI leaders have played key roles in the explosion of excitement around AGI, often making bold claims about its imminent arrival. These statements are not just for attention, they often align with their business strategies. For example, Sam Altman's announcement of the Stargate project, a $500 billion initiative to build AI infrastructure, came with a major press event and investor engagement. This timing reinforced the idea that AGI is almost here. It also helps attract investors and positions OpenAI as a national asset, possibly influencing favorable regulations. Elon Musk has used similar tactics. His public criticisms of OpenAI and Altman, including calling Altman a swindler, matched his company's legal and competitive actions against OpenAI. Musk's group even tried to buy OpenAI for $97.4 billion, generating media attention and reinforcing the idea that AGI is a high-stakes, near-term reality. Other AI luminaries, such as Google DeepMind's Demis Hassabis, Meta's Yann LeCun, Anthropic's Dario Amodei, and others have also voiced their optimism about AGI's arrival. AGI is often seen as a major scientific breakthrough, but it is not clearly defined or measured like other transformative scientific achievements. For example, the Human Genome Project and the Apollo moon landing had clear goals, timelines, and success criteria. In contrast, AGI remains a vague idea whose definition is unclear and always changing, which allows top AI companies working on AGI to say whatever they want about it. This lack of clarity allows AGI to be used more as a tool for marketing than as a specific technical goal. Since there is no agreed-upon definition, companies can claim progress toward AGI without being held to any real standard. This makes AGI a popular buzzword in advertisements and investor presentations, aimed at generating excitement and securing funding. However, the hype often fades when the expected results do not appear, leading to disappointment. Current AI systems, including advanced models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini, show strong abilities in specific areas but still fall short of true general intelligence. These models are good at recognizing patterns and generating language, but struggle with tasks that need abstract thinking, reasoning, and learning from different situations. For example, Gemini's latest update has a reasoning dial that adjusts how much the model thinks. This feature highlights the system's limitations. Too much reasoning leads to inefficiency, while too little results in shallow answers. Although models like GPT-4 are said to show signs of general intelligence, they lack the core elements of human thinking. Human intelligence is built on physical experience. Our understanding comes from interacting with the world, sensory input, and emotions. AI models, however, are statistical tools trained on large amounts of text, with no real-world experience. Additionally, human intelligence involves social learning and emotional understanding, things AI cannot replicate. Predictions that AGI will arrive in the next few years are mostly guesses and are not backed by solid evidence. These predictions often come from technology executives or futurists, not from the scientific community. For instance, some public figures have suggested that AGI could outsmart humans within a few years, but these claims are seldom supported by strong research. Instead, these timelines reflect hope or business strategy, rather than a realistic view of technological progress. In the past, AI has gone through cycles of exaggerated expectations followed by disappointment, known as AI winters. In the 1970s and 1980s, overhyped predictions about AI led to reduced funding and public doubt when technology didn't meet expectations. Today's AGI forecasts ignore these lessons, repeating the same cycle of excitement without considering past failures. Many researchers believe that AGI, if it's even possible, is still many decades away. According to the 2025 AI Index report from Stanford University, AI is improving in specific areas, but is far from achieving general intelligence. Some experts even question if AGI is a realistic goal at all. Therefore, the idea of AGI arriving soon is more of a myth than a scientific prediction. The focus on imagined AGI disaster scenarios, such as extinction-level risks, has allowed tech leaders to shift attention away from the real, current concerns posed by AI systems. These dangers include biased or limited data, widespread surveillance, and the exploitation of workers, which are already affecting various communities. For example, AI tools have been involved in wrongful arrests, unfair housing practices, and biased healthcare decisions, yet these issues receive much less attention from the media and regulators compared to speculative AGI doomsday stories. Claiming that AGI is close is more than just a technological prediction. It's a savvy strategic move. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic use this claim to position themselves as the leaders in AI development. They suggest that only they have the knowledge and responsibility to guide AI's future, which allows them to control how AI is developed, regulated, and viewed by the public. By saying AGI is imminent, these companies attract top talent and large investments. For example, OpenAI's valuation reached nearly $300 billion in early 2024, driven largely by investors believing in its AGI potential. This creates a cycle where these companies dominate the market. Additionally, they influence regulations by positioning themselves as the only ones capable of safely managing AGI. Real progress in AI is not about sudden breakthroughs toward AGI, but steady, small improvements in areas like model design, data quality, and training methods. Today, AI systems now perform better than humans in tasks such as reading comprehension and image recognition. We see this, for example, in healthcare, where AI can detect cancer in radiology images more accurately than doctors can. However, these advancements come from improving existing methods rather than creating entirely new approaches. AI development is happening through gradual refinements like larger datasets, more efficient algorithms, and better hardware. Generative models are becoming more complex, but their improvements are often small and specific to certain tasks, even if the number of tasks that these models can perform is growing. All of which is to say that this is hardly a formula that will lead to superintelligent AGI. So are we being sold an AGI dream for someone else's profit? As experts raise doubts, it's clear that the hype is just that, hype. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.